Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CJ affiliate account with deep links and reporting step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your CJ affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the Links tab on the dashboard. Select Deep Links from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of your advertisers. Choose an advertiser you wish to generate deep links for. Click on the advertiser's name to open their profile. Look for the deep link section within the advertiser profile. Enter the specific URL of the page you want to link to in the designated field. Adjust any tracking parameters if necessary to match your campaign goals. Click the Get Link button to generate your deep link. Copy the provided deep link to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the Reporting tab on the dashboard. Here, you will find various reporting options related to your performance. Select Performance Reports to view detailed analytics. Customize your report period by selecting the desired date range. You can filter the report by different metrics, such as clicks, conversions, and earnings. After configuring the filters, click Generate Report. Review the data to assess the effectiveness of your deep links. Take note of any trends or insights that could inform your future strategies. Periodically revisit your reporting section to stay updated on your performance. With your deep links configured and reports generated, you are now ready to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.